This video lecture series on transportation engineering. In this session, we shall discuss on the mastic asphalt. The mastic asphalt product, it comprises of suitably graded limestone aggregates which are bounded together with the asphalt cement, which is primarily refined by the bitumens in order to produce a dense voidless material. The mastic asphalt is an ideal material for a whole range of construction applications, with having a smooth, seamless, durable surface, and it can be used in the new build as well as in the refurbished constructions. Mastic asphalt is one of the most traditional materials, and it is used widely in order to develop the high building construction works. It offers total waterproofing integrity for the roofing and the tanks, and actually it works as a tough working surface in the flooring and in the paving. So from this figure we can see that the mastic asphalt is used in order to make the surface waterproof and tough enough. Next is the cold mix asphalt technology. So the cold asphalt mix, it is produced by mixing the unheated mineral aggregate with either emulsified bitumen or the foamed bitumen. So now, unlike the hot mix asphalt, the HMA, the cold mix asphalt mix, it does not require any sort of the heating of the aggregates, which makes it economical and relatively pollution free, as no any objectionable fumes they are discharged. Next, the production of the cold asphalt mix, it does not require the high investment in the equipments, which makes it economical, and it is also suitable for its use in the remote areas. So as no any sort of heating is required, so no heating plant or no any use of the fuel is required, so it makes this particular cold mix asphalt technology more economical as compared to the hot mix asphalt mix plant. So this cold asphalt mix, it can be used both for the initial construction and for the recycling of the asphalt pavements. So from this figure you can see the layer by the use of the cold mix asphalt technology is being laid in the construction of the pavement. Next, the mix types. So primarily there are two types of the virgin cold asphalt mixes they are being used. First one is the dense graded, and second one is the open graded. So the slurry seal and micro surfacing, it can be considered in the cold mixes, although they are being used as a surface treatment. In the slurry seal, it consists of a mixture of the mineral aggregates, mostly which are fine aggregates, slow setting cationic bitumen emulsion, the water and additives if they are required, proportioned and mixed and uniformly spread over a prepared surface. So both the slurry seal and the micro surfacing, they have to follow the application limitations, which are as follows. First, they should be used on the existing bituminous surface. Existing pavement, it should be structurally sound and it should have good riding quality. Then next, existing bituminous surface, it should not have any severe distress except hairline cracks. Then the oxidized or aged road surface or the polished surface. Then it should be applied to the roads carrying low to medium traffics only. So on the heavy traffic road, both wear off prematurely, especially in the wheel tracks. Next is the warm mix asphalt technology. So this warm mix asphalt, it is a generic term for a variety of technologies that allow the producers of the hot mix asphalt pavement material to a lower temperature at which the material, it is mixed and placed on the road, and it is a proven technology that can be used in order to reduce the paving cost, extend the paving season, and improve the asphalt compaction, allow the asphalt mix to be hauled for longer distances, and improve the working conditions by reducing the exposure of the fuel emissions, fumes, and odors at the site. So this is a typical view of the warm mix asphalt technology, where the warm mix of aggregate and the binder is being applied on the prepared surface. The warm mix asphalt production method, it uses the temperature of 30 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, lower than that of the hot mix asphalt. And in this paving projects, the greater temperature difference between the asphalt mix and outside temperature, the faster the mix it basically it will cool. So the additionally WMA, it saves time in the production as well as in the surfacing of the roads. Just because WMA, it makes compaction easier, cost savings are achieved by reducing the time and labor spent in compacting the entire mix. So the lower temperatures, they also permit more asphalt mix to be hauled for a longer distance, and which actually reduces the transportation cost. So how actually WMA or it works? So the WMA technology, it reduces the viscosity of the asphalt binder so that the asphalt aggregates, they can be coated well at lower temperatures. So the key is basically the addition of the additives, that will be water-based, organic, chemical or hybrids to the asphalt mix. The additives allows the asphalt binder and asphalt aggregates to be mixed at low temperature, reducing the viscosity due to the heating of the binder. Also makes of the bitumen, it makes the mixture easier to manipulate and compact at a lower temperature. Next is the performance. So the proper compaction is critical to well performing pavements. One indication of the proper compaction is its density. So the WMA, it is also versatile. It can be used successfully in the range of pavement thicknesses. It is also durable enough to withstand the high traffic demands, and warm mix asphalt has been used successfully in the Europe for more than 10 years, and in the United States the WMA projects are now in more than 40 states. This basically makes us understand that in the countries wherein there is severe cold temperature, so mixing of this asphalt and the aggregate by application of heat makes it easier for the actual construction of the pavement, and it provides better binding properties in between the aggregates by use of the heated binder. Next is the advantages. So as the temperature level is relatively low, air pollution caused due to the emission and the fumes will also be less. So less energy will be spent while the manufacturing, as it has to be heated less as compared to the hot mix asphalt, and the temperature drop during the mix transportation is basically no longer a concern. Then the construction season, it can be expanded, and the haul distance, it can be increased, just because the entire mix, it is heated, so the haul distance, it can be increased. So the compacting effort will be less, so as to achieve a specification compaction level. So with this, we shall stop here. Thank you.